This is one of the very important questions in the chemistry of alcohols. Normally, primary alcohols can be oxidized to aldehydes, which further get oxidized to acids. The secondary alcohol will get oxidized to ketones, which further get oxidized to acids with lesser number of carbon atoms. A tertiary alcohols, the chain will break on oxidation. This is the general rule relating to the alcohols. But the question asked here is, there are few reagents. It is actually the name of a reagent. The blank here, we have to fill up the name of the reagent. What is being asked is, there are certain reagents which convert the primary alcohol just to the aldehydes. Aldehydes is only an intermediate stage. Alcohols undergo oxidation to aldehydes, which on further oxidation will lead to acids, which are ultimate products. The final products in these reactions are acids. So, aldehydes only an intermediate stage. Supposing the oxidizing agent is strong or the oxidation process is strong enough, the reaction will not stop with the aldehydes, the reaction will proceed further. But the purpose of this question is whether the alcohols can be oxidized to a stage of aldehyde and stopped at that particular stage. There are few important reagents. One particular reagent is known as PCC. PCC stands for pyridinium chlorochromate. This is a very specific reagent. PCC is known as pyridinium chlorochromate. This is a reagent that is used with primary alcohols. Will proceed to the aldehyde and the reaction doesn't proceed further. Generally, we need not go into the structural details of this compound. The compound is represented by a structure C5H5. This is part of pyridine. Pyridine ring is this. This is pyridine ring, and this is being protonated. Therefore, it becomes C5H5NH. And then there is one chlorochromate. This is the counter ion. This is the minus ion for that. Therefore, this is referred as pyridinium chlorochromate. This is chlorine and this is the chromium part of it. So, this reagent is referred as PCC. PCC is one of the very specific reagents which is used for the oxidation of alcohols to the aldehydes. It does not proceed. Normally, when you use acid permanganate or any other even dichromate, probably all those oxidizing agents, they are not specific. They will not be stopped at the aldehyde stage, because aldehyde is an intermediate, can be further oxidized. Therefore, they are not very specific reagent. This is a very specific reagent, and the specificity of this reagent is more important. It is not used for a general purpose oxidation. It is only used for the oxidation of primary alcohols, the aldehydes.